Hello and welcome to Exercise for Everyone. This is Lesson 4, Jacks. Lesson 4, Part 1. Basic jacks and modified jacks. A jumping jack is a great way to raise your heart rate and get a good cardiovascular workout. Jacks are commonly used in sports training, boot camps, and group fitness environments. They can be counted, or timed, or even done to music. Jumping jacks can be very challenging for some people, and so in Lesson 1, I've included some simple modifications. In future parts of this lesson, we'll do many more advanced style jumping jacks. Always make sure you do jumping jacks on an appropriate surface. Raised floors, such as those found in dance studios and exercise studios, are the safest. However, any court or level grassy surface should be fine. Always wear appropriate footwear and make sure there is nothing slippery on the floor like liquid, and make sure the area is clear of pebbles, debris, sticks, etc. Basic jack. This is the classic jumping jack. Modified jack with hands on hips. Keep your hands on your hips if you need an easier option, or if you have shoulder issues that will not allow you to put your arms out to the sides or overhead. Modified jack with half jack arms. Anytime our arms go over our head, our heart rate usually goes up higher, making it harder. Additionally, your shoulders or arms may fatigue and you may not feel like lifting your arms up all the way. Modified jack, side step plus half arms. Some people cannot take the impact of a jumping jack. This side step variation is going to eliminate that impact and make it an easier option for many. Modified jack, side step with full arms. This is a great modification to the traditional jumping jack. Modified jack, traveling side steps. This modified version can be done with hands on hips, half jack arms, or full jack arms. No impact glider jacks. There are many different types of gliders that you can use. Gliders will eliminate the impact in a traditional jumping jack. However, controlling the gliders will add an element of challenge. No impact modified glider jacks. Again, although using gliders reduces the impact, there are some elements of control needed when using glider. In a future lesson, I will cover glider-only exercises. Seated jacks. This is a great option for people with limited mobility. You can use many of the traditional arm exercises for jumping jacks just as you would if you were actually jumping. Put some fun music with the right BPMs behind this move, and you can really get people with limited mobility moving. For some great ideas for arm movements, check out Part 3 of this lesson.
Two other great ways to modify a jumping jack are by doing them in a swimming pool or on a rebounder. Not as many people have access to these two pieces of equipment, so that might limit some. And though both options reduce the impact in a jumping jack, there are additional challenges that they create. I will cover aqua jacks in a future part to this lesson, and rebounder exercises in a future lesson.
Thanks for watching! In Part 2 of this lesson, we will look at some arm variations to use in your jumping jacks.